Are you looking forward to watch Reelshort series for free? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can easily watch Reelshort for free. So if you move into the application Reelshort itself, then you will not be able to watch it because it will cost you some amount of money. So what you need to do is head over to any of the web browser and search for Dailymotion. Head over to this site right over here. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you're in this page, you will be able to see any of the Reelshort that you want. Click on the search icon and search for one of the specific Reelshort that you want to watch. Let me search for it. Once found, click on it. And there you go. All the Reelshort that you have searched will be available to you. You can simply click on it and watch the video. So this is simply how you can watch Reelshort for free. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.